about 0.3%. To get a better understanding of where the markets are headed for the remainder of the week, let's welcome on board Rudramurthy BV, founder director at Vachna Investments. Rudra, hi, good afternoon, and thanks once again for your time. Give us a sense of where the markets are heading, because we started off slightly recently and we've fizzled off all of those gains. Where do you think the markets are headed in the near term?
Snehi, good afternoon and thanks for having me in the show. See, if you see the market fundamentally, even though we had great earnings quarter, business updates were very good. And even if you see Bihar election results were way above expectation, so many positive news. GDP was never expected to be 8.2%. The best estimate was 7.5%, and we got such a great GDP number. So in spite of all these positive fundamental development, markets are not going anywhere. In fact, negative side, if you see on the market, yes, rupee has clearly crossed above 90 per dollar, and we have seen that rupee depreciation. FIIs have been continuously selling this market, and the Trump tariff deal is yet to come, and we don't know when it will come. All are watching for a Trump tweet, and even if that comes, I don't know, market may not take it much surprised now, because all positive news is not taking this market up. So I am saying, just based on screen and technical levels, this is not a market to have high leverage, buy all along. And I want people to be very cautious in this market, especially if you are a short-term trader. Cut your leverage, be in specific sectors, have low beta stocks in your portfolio, hedge it very well if you are a short-term trader. So these are all cautious things what a very short-term trader has to definitely take. But however, if you are a medium to longer term firm investor, yes, you have a lot of picks to make in these kinds of sluggish market. Broader market definitely has a lot of pain. Look at CNX Nifty mid cap or even small cap, they're definitely showing a lot of weakness. And I am not at all in the gungo camp to buy this market with high leverage. So it is a wait and watch. Even after Bank Nifty's outperformance and even RBI's rate cut also, this market is not moving up. Now the only thing left out is the Fed meet, which happens and then even if there is a rate cut, I won't be surprised if this market doesn't react positive for all that. So for me, Nifty levels of 25,700 on spot is very crucial. If you break 25,700, everything is gone in this market for short term, and Bank Nifty levels are 58,500. So watch out for 58,500 on Bank Nifty and 25,700 on Nifty as final support. And you have to be very stock specific and sector specific. Cut your leverage, have low beta, and be very safe in this market. If you are a short-term trader, hedges are a must. Now for me, metals look very, very strong. And yes, it's a choice whether you want to pick up aluminium stocks or even copper for that matter is looking good. Silver looks very good. So yes, it's a choice. I am picking Vedanta. Vedanta for me at current market price is a mouth-watering buy. Even on technical chart, yes, there is a strong base formation at 500, 505. So I'll be a buyer at current market price, and every dip is a buying opportunity in Vedanta. Look at initial targets of 550 and then 580 to come. Keep a stop loss of 510. Even investors can buy into Vedanta in cash market and definitely hold on. Lot of returns are yet to come in this stock. Motherson is another great stock for me. Last quarter results were fabulous, and stock is now making a clear rising top, rising bottom formation on technical, which is very positive. So I am looking at initial targets of 135 on Motherson and then 150. With a time frame of 1 year, one can definitely look at buying Motherson for 150 target. Keep a stop loss of 110. So a buy on Vedanta, buy on Motherson, and for very short term traders, a very cautious approach to be had in market.
Okay, so cautious approach in the market, Samvardhana, Motherson and Vedanta. These are the top two technical ideas coming in from Rudra. Rudra, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us this Wednesday afternoon and helping us with your stock-specific ideas and your cautious view on the market. But shifting focus then, and let's take a look at the